Buckle up, because today we're diving into some of the craziest close calls and jaw-dropping crashes caught on camera. Some of these are so unbelievable you'll have to see them twice. And trust me, you don't want to miss what happens at the end. That's a deleted scene from Need for Speed. This is just bad. I could put the blame on both of them. A quick little two-piece for him. Some drivers just have zero awareness. Speeding versus someone who pulled out in the far lane. Who gave this man a license? Eyes on the road? Nah. Turning left from the far lane is not something I would recommend doing. A ladder in the middle of the road. I wonder how this could end. What you just saw is why awareness is everything. I can't really even blame him, just unlucky. In case you are wondering, that guy walking is fine now. These bozos need to start looking before they turn. Take a turn to quick, and you'll be just like this guy. I just know his insurance company is crying right now. That's a quick way to get you some dinner for the night. Slow and steady always wins the race. That's the kind of near miss that stays with you forever. This is just straight up stupid. Does he think headlights are just optional? That's a whole new level of risky. LMAO, the way he just kept on driving. That's not confidence, that's stupidity. When will some people learn to not brake check semis? Car crash DLC unlocked. If the crash was any worse, it would be a good thing a fire truck is there. A small overreaction leads to a big accident. People just need to have some more common sense. Or so unfortunate he was completely sideways when they crashed. And that right there is how pileups start. I guess mirrors are just completely optional. One person who is impatient just ruined everyone else's day. Stoplights just mean completely nothing for some people. There is just nothing you can do here. Who needs laws when you can just create your own? Turning from the far lane, but I guess he used his blinker. Road rage instant karma at its peak. Some people just have zero brain cells. This is what it looks like when a semi blows a tire. Stopping in the middle of the highway is just beyond stupid. What were they thinking? Any guesses? Let me know in the comments. Bro just hopped the curb. I don't even know how this happens. This person should join the police force. What a perfect pit maneuver. Or what a fake out. They had them thinking they were going to turn right. Another person who just doesn't stop at stop signs. You can tell he wasn't paying attention. I have no words. I mean, like, come on, bro. Speeding on a very curvy road is never a good idea. Driving by pure vibes. Driving right behind the ambulance. Just why? Are they the first person on their phone today? These guys drive like it's a video game. Oh my God, why is he still trying to drive his car? He dodged a potential car accident just to end up in an even bigger one. That wheel just spawned out of absolutely nowhere. That was a jump scare. I'm getting mad with how many people do this. Who do you all think was the biggest idiot of the day? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe.